traffic ignition is the ultimate game-changing opportunity, which is exactly why we're so excited to introduce you to Lightning Pay. So popular that more than 7 out of 10 founding members claim their pro status immediately. Here's what all the excitement is about. Pro status is only $50 one time, and it changes how fast you get paid and how much you get paid forever. Pro unlocks $40 fast start commissions to infinite depth, paid weekly. That's Lightning Pay. Every time someone you personally sponsor goes pro, you earn a $40 fast start on that $50 upgrade. Lightning Pay is the money that shows up on Friday. And here's where it gets really exciting. Lightning Pay commissions roll up. When anyone in your organization at any depth goes pro, that $40 climbs the line of sponsorship until it finds a pro. If the people between you aren't pro, it pays you. No level cap, no limit, infinite depth. Of course, that door swings both ways. Until you're pro, every $40 in your line rolls right past you to the nearest pro above you. Own pro or lose the pay. It's that simple. And pro is even more than Lightning Pay. Pro is your seat at our live AI traffic training events, your official AI traffic certification and pro badge. Proof you know exactly what you're doing. And the exclusive pro ad packs. Simply copy, paste, and get even more traffic. So if you're already pro, congratulations. You made the smart move. Your seat is reserved, your badge is coming, and your Lightning Pay is armed. Now go build. Every person you sponsor who goes pro puts $40 in your pocket on Friday. And if you haven't claimed pro status yet, the button you need to click is right below this video. $50, one time, weekly pay, infinite depth. What are you waiting for? Go pro. Learn more, earn more.